Good morning, students. It's Mrs. Twinter. Today we're going to be doing Eureka Lesson 6, and we're going to start up with our warm-up problem. Olivia is half the age of her brother Adam. Olivia's sister Ava is twice as old as Adam. Adam is 4 years old. How old is each sibling? Use tape diagrams or bar models to show your thinking. So if you would, take some time and get out your math notebook or whatever you'd like to take some notes in today, and we'll get started about thinking who or what this problem is about. I'll give you just a second to get your supplies. All right, so we're going to think about who or what this problem is about. We know it's about Olivia, Adam, and Ava. And I know that this is a comparison problem, so I'm going to go ahead and write down Adam, Olivia, and Ava. And they said Olivia was half of Adam. Her age was half of Adam. So if this is Adam, we don't know what it is yet, and Olivia is half of it. My drawing's not perfect, but close enough. And then it said Ava was twice as old as Adam. So two of those bars, right? So, and then it tells us that Adam is 4. Well, if we know Adam is 4, what's half of 4? That would be Olivia. And Ava was twice 4. What was the age of each sibling? So Adam was 4, Olivia was 2, and Ava was 8. Very good. Okay, so now we're going to do some warm-up and review. If Mrs. Twinter told you to write on your notebook 4/2, what's that the same as? We know that 4/2 is the same as 4 divided by 2, right? And what if I said 6 divided by 4? We know that that's also the same as 6 divided by 4. Or if I said 3 divided by 4, that's the same as 3/4. If I said 2 divided by 10, what would you guys write? That's right, 2/10. What about if I ask you to rename this fraction and making it into fifths? Could you do that? If we divided by a whole, if we divided by 2 2s, wouldn't you get 1/5? Very good. And what if I said, this is a hard one, 56 2s? What would that be the same as? That's right, 56 divided by 2, which would equal 28 wholes. Very good. Okay, we'll get started with our lesson today. I know that some of you have already done this in Tangy Tuesday, but Mrs. Twinter just wants to be sure that you know, if you saw a problem that said 1/3 of 6, I just want you to see what you're doing. So if you're doing 1/3 of 6, if I have 6 circles and I divide it into thirds, right? 1/3 of 6. If I just want 1/3 of 6, that would be 2, right? If I said 2/3 of 6, that would be taking 2 parts, right? So that would equal 4. And if I said 3/3 of 6, this is a whole, right? 3/3 is a whole. So if I said 3/3 of 6, that would equal all 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1/3 of 6. How about if Mrs. Twinter said 1/4 of 12? Well, how many do we have? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, because there's fourths, right? If I said 1/4, that would be 3, right? So 1/4 of 12 equals 3. But if I said 2/4, which is the same as half, what's half of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is half of 12. And so on. So today, oh sorry, you couldn't even see that. I'm so sorry. I'm learning too. So today you're just going to do some review of that on Zern Lesson 6. If you could at this time, please finish your Zern lesson. Have a great day. Thanks.